Vietnam is a country blessed with fertile soil, a mild climate, reliable source of fresh water, and a large workforce, which give great advantages to agriculture. Vietnam is one of Asia's largest areas under tropical fruits, which comes with an abundant output. About 1 million hectares of land produces 12 to 15 million tons of fruits per year for domestic consumption and export to over 170 countries and territories. The main fruits that are grown include bananas, mangoes, dragon fruits, oranges, pomelos, longans, lychees, durians, rambutans, jackfruits, tangerines, avocados, and pineapples, with over 10,000 hectares of land under each fruit. The quality of Vietnamese agricultural products is steadily improving with the adoption of VietGAP and Global GAP standards. Besides having a market, the development of processing technologies for agricultural products is crucial to improve their values. With over 50 years of experience in agriculture, 20 in the food industry, and trade relations with 20 countries. In July 2017, Fabrico Food Industry Joint Stock Company began its operation with a factory of over 30,000 square meters in Tây Ninh Province's Linh Trung 3 Export Processing Zone to connect and sustainably develop raw material growing areas and improve Vietnamese agricultural value chain. Fabrico Foods factory mainly produces fruit juices and puree. Its production line is equipped with the latest technology from Tropical Food Machinery of Italy. Fabrico Food is proud to have one of the largest fruit juice and puree factories in Vietnam, one that can meet the stringent quality standards for exporting to demanding markets such as the EU, US, and big countries in Asia. The factory specializes in passion fruits, dragon fruits, soursops, coconuts, guavas, lychees, and pineapples, and has outputs of 15,000 to 20,000 tons per year for fruit juices and 7,000 to 10,000 tons per year for purees. Fabrico Foods products are widely used by many large food processing companies in the world as materials for a various range of essential consumer goods, especially foods and beverages. Fabrico Food Factory has obtained many international certifications such as Halal Certificate, FSSC 20000, SGF Certificate, Kosher Certificate, FRAP Confirmation, which stands for Fruit Risk Assessment Program for Pesticides. Aiming to become a leading business in producing and exporting fruit products, Fabrico Food has focused its investment in building a factory and acquiring technologies that enable it to meet international quality standards. All production processes conform to strict standards and allow traceability. Benefiting from an abundant, diverse source of tropical fruits and modern technologies, Fabrico Food can process all kinds of fruits into a variety of products that meet various customer demands. Fabrico Food uses the latest technology from Italy's Tropical Food Machinery, the aroma recovery system, to collect the aroma that dissipates during the concentration process and later infused into the products. Products manufactured in the factory go through 5 stages. Stage 1: farming and harvesting at material zones. Fabrico Food collaborates with large farms and only harvests and purchases fruits that meet its criteria to ensure they are highly nutritious and delicious. Stage 2: pre-processing. The fruits are transported to the factory where they are sorted further. The ones that meet the standards are used for juice production. Stage 3: production. Fruits are squeezed by machines, which ensures high-quality juice extraction and keeps out the bitter parts and the peel's green pigments to meet EU quality standards. Stage 4: quality control. Samples are taken randomly from throughout the production process and tested so that any possible faulty batches can be dealt with quickly. Products can only be shipped after being approved by the QC department. Stage 5: storage. Products are stored at designated temperatures and spaced appropriately to ensure efficient loading. Products are then loaded into containers, following Fabrico Food's strict procedures to best preserve their quality throughout the transportation to distributors. with the goal of becoming Vietnam's leading manufacturer and exporter of agricultural products. In the near future, Fabico Food will continue to focus on investment in technology and workforce training to offer optimal benefits to farmers, partners, customers, workers, and the community. As a business operating in Vietnam, we are aware of our four-man missions. For the environment, Fabico Food always focuses on environmental protection by practicing clean agriculture, maintaining a balanced ecosystem, and having a modern production system that is environmentally safe, as well as pursuing organic production. For farmers, Fabico Food collaborates with farmers and offers them a number of incentives to safeguard their interests and ensure there is high value addition for their produce. For partners, the company focuses on quality and pricing stability to acquire partners' trust and strive to maintain cooperative partnerships. For its factory workers, having identified workers as a valuable asset, Fabico Food pays a great deal of attention to training talents and appropriate allocation of functions to ensure that our departments can operate independently while still working closely together, which in turn brings maximum benefits to Fabico Food and makes it a sustainable and rapidly growing company. Society is developing at a fast pace, and businesses' interests should always go hand in hand with the communities. There are many difficulties and challenges, but they only encourage businesses to strive for sustainable development. With its strength and momentum, Fabico Food will continue on its journey to manufacture agricultural products that meet international standards in order to improve Vietnam's agricultural value chain and the lives of farmers. This, in turn, will contribute to the region's economy and help realize the company's goal of becoming Vietnam's leading agricultural manufacturer and exporter.